Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. So, today we are going to do whitehat junior project. Before starting, please make sure you subscribe. So, let's get started.
So today we are going to do project number 27, Plucking Mangoes. So let's get started with the code. So this is the sketch.js, basically for constant engine equals to meta.engine, constant equals to meta. So sorry, I forgot to show you the output. Wait, I will show you the output. When we release the stone, the mango. Okay, so this is the output. So start the code. So firstly for constants, then body method of bodies contains equals to method of constant. So variable d ground tree image, then variable boy image, then variable stones, then variable mango 1, mango 2, mango 3, mango 4, mango 5, mango 6, mango 7, mango 8, mango 9, mango 10. Okay, so after it function preload tree image equals to load image tree.png boy image equals to load image, and then in brackets boy.png, then function setup create canvas in brackets 1000 comma 650. Okay, then then equals to engine equals to engine dot create, then world equals to engine dot world, then d ground equals to new ground, then stones equals to new stone 100 comma 460 comma 23, then mango 1 new mango, then you can see mango 2 mango 3 mango 4 mango 5, and at least 10. Okay, then attack is equals to new throw stone dot body, then comma, then in brackets x colon 100 comma y colon 6 465. Okay, then tree equals to 6, then tree equals to create sprite 775 comma 38 368. Okay, then tree dot add image tree image, then tree dot scale is equals to 4, sorry, then 0.42, then boy equals to create sprite 160 comma 550, then boy dot add image, then brackets boy image. Okay, then we are just scaling the size of the boy, boy dot scale equals to 0.125. Okay, then engine dot run engine. Okay, then we are running the engine. Okay, then function draw rect mode center background gray fill black text size 18, then detect collision. This is the main point. Detect collision means when the stone touch the mango, it will just go down. Okay, then detect all collision, then we are detect collision all mango with the stone. Okay, you can see stones the mango 1 mango 2 mango 3 mango 10 list. Okay, then draw sprites stone dot display, then we have to display the thing stone dot display d ground dot display mango 1, then all things have to display. Okay, then function mouse drag. Okay, means we are dragging the stone. Okay, so mouse meta dot body dot set position, then brackets stones dot body comma in the brackets x colon mouse x comma y colon mouse y. Okay, then just close the bracket. Okay, then in then after then new function mouse release, then we just release a mouse, then it go to the mirror tree, then attack dot fly. Okay, this, then function detect collision is first stone comma first mango. Then, then if first stone dot body dot position dot x, then minus first mango dot body dot position dot x, then you can see it. This is very big. I need to type. So you can see it by pausing the video. Okay, then in the next function key pressed, if key code equals to 32 meta dot body dot position stones dot body comma in brackets x colon 100 comma y colon 465, then attack dot launch stone dot body. Okay, so this is the sketch.js. This is very big. Okay, then in ground.js, firstly class ground constructor variable options equals to is static true friction 0.4, this dot body equals to body dot rectangle, and in commas, oh sorry, then in brackets 500 comma 625 comma 1200 comma 20 comma options. Okay, then world dot add world, then we are adding this body to world. Okay, then display, then rect mode center, fill silver, rect 500 625, then 1200, then 20. Okay, so this is the class ground. Then come to mango.js, class mango, constructor x comma y comma diameter, variable option is static true, restitution 0.5, reaction 1. Then this dot body equals to body dot circle x comma y comma diameter comma options. Then this dot diameter is diameter. This dot image equals to load image mango dot png, world dot add, then brackets world. We are adding this body to world. So this is the code for that. Then display push translate this dot body dot position dot x comma this dot body dot position dot y. Then image mode center image this dot, then image this dot image comma 0 then comma this dot diameter, then pop. Okay, so this is the class mango. You can see it. Then let's come to stone.js. So this is a stone.js, class stone constructor x comma y comma diameter, then variable option is static false, restitution 0, friction 1, density 1.2. This dot body equals to body dot circle x comma y comma diameter comma options. This dot diameter equals to diameter. This dot image equals to load image stone dot png, world dot add world comma this dot body. Then display pulse translate this dot body dot position dot x, then comma this dot body dot position dot y. Okay, then image mode center image this dot body, oh sorry, this dot image comma 0 comma this dot diameter, then pop. So this is the class stone. You can see. Then the last class is throw.js. So this is the throw.js, then class throw, then constructor body a comma point b, then variable option equals to body a colon body a, then point b colon point b. Okay, then stiffness is 0.11 0.01, then length is equals to 10, then this dot point b is equals to point b, this dot throw is equals to a constant dot create options, then world, then we are adding this throw to world. Okay, world dot add world comma this throw. Okay, then fly this dot throw dot position equals to null, then launch body a this dot throw dot body equals to body a, then display. So this is the project Plucking Mangoes, and this is the output. And for your help, I have just given the link in the description that you can download my code from here. Then download zip and just submit and just post it to GitHub and submit it to whitehat. Okay, so take care. I will just upload many videos. So bye bye. See you.